And welcome back, you fabulous fourth graders. Let's get started with our problem set. It appears to be page, well, Mr. Leggett's eyes just ain't what they used to be. Like the old gray mare, as the old song goes. And it's page, looks like 65 and page 66. Yeah. So let's get on our problem setty. Page 66. Today's date is 09/29/2020. So page 66, excuse me, 65. You know what time it is? It's 8:11, and here Mr. Leggett is doing the problem set. So page 65, September 29th, 2020. We're talking about capacity in the metric world. So if 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, I think we can safely say, my personal opinion and fact, that 5 liters equals 5,000 milliliters. Okay, we're up with, looks like it's the number 38. Why don't you try to fill that one in on your own? And if you wrote down 38,000 milliliters, you know what? You'd be absolutely correct. Let's go to the next one. We're going from milliliters to liters. Remember, 1,000 milliliters is equivalent to 1 liter. So we had 49,000 milliliters. How many liters would we have? Use your head. If you said 49 and wrote down 49, you are correct. Let's go to 54. 54 liters. And remember, there's 1,000 milliliters in each and every liter. There's no getting around it. Argue with me all you want. It's just not the way it is. So 54 liters would be 54,000 milliliters. And finally, you guys can crack this one, right? 92,000 milliliters. Look at the pattern. 1,000, 1, 5,000, 5, 38,000, 38, 49,000, 49, 54,000, 54, 92,000, 92. Ha ha, there we go. All right, it's time to convert the measurements. We have 2 liters, 500 milliliters. So that would be 2,000 and then 500 milliliters. I'm going to do one more, and then I want you to tackle some of these on your own. It's 70 liters, 850 milliliters. Well, that would be 70,850 milliliters. Do you see a pattern? I hope you do. Go ahead and give it your best shot. Maybe pause the recording and then come on back for more. And welcome back. Let's see how you did. 33 liters, 15 milliliters. Well, that'd be 33,000 milliliters. And watch this. Just 15. No hundreds. So you could go like that. What about down here? 2 liters, 8 milliliters. Well, that'd be 2,000. No hundreds, no tens. 8. 2,008 milliliters. Okay, we have 3,812 milliliters. How many liters do we see there? 3,000 would be 3 liters. And we just put the 812 milliliters over here. Milliliters. It's a fun word to say. Try it. Milliliters. 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 All right, we have 86,003 milliliters, so that would equal 86 liters. That's a lot of liters. And 3 milliliters. All right, time to head on down to the solve section. We'll be solving problems that need solving. Why do they need solving? Because they're in Eureka Math, and Eureka Math demands that we solve them. Isn't that right, MathMutt? Is very correct, Mr. Leggett. We need to solve all the problems because that's the way it works. Well, thank you, MathMutt. Do you know much about milliliters? I know that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. That's very true, and you're a very smart dog, and I appreciate you coming and talking to the class about that. Oh, you're very welcome, Mr. Leggett. I'm going to sit around for the lesson and just maybe help you out, see if you make any mistakes. Well, I'll try not to. Thank you, MathMutt. You're welcome, Mr. Leggett. Okay, thank you, MathMutt, for that visit. Time to solve. 1,760 milliliters, but we're adding 40 liters. I'm going to convert the 40 liters to 40,000 milliliters, and then I'm going to add on the 1,760 milliliters. Go ahead and pause the recording and attempt to solve this on your own. I know you can do it, and then come back to check and see if you're right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome back. Bring down our unit of measurement, capacity. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring down the 4. We have 41,760 milliliters, or 41 liters, 760 milliliters. Let's continue on. I see math decomposing up ahead. We have 7 liters. Let's change them into milliliters. And we're going to subtract 3,400 milliliters. See what we did? We took the 7 liters and made them 7,000 milliliters. That's Mr. Liggett' favorite way to simplify. I hope it's yours too. Seems to make the most sense to me. All right, go ahead and pause the recording and give it your best shot. And welcome back. Bring down our unit of measurement. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Oh, I cannot take 400 milliliters away from 0 milliliters. So we're going to decompose 1,000 milliliters. Bring them over here to be 1,000 milliliters. 10 minus 4, 9876. 6 minus 3, 543. And there we have it, 3,600 milliliters. We continue on. Express this answer in the smaller unit. Okay, so they want us to show it in milliliters. So we're going to convert to milliliters, 25,478 milliliters. And we're going to add 3,000, right? 812 milliliters. Go ahead, do the math, pause, and come on back in 5. Welcome back. Here we go. We're going to drop down our unit of measurement because we're doing these smaller units. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring down the 2. 29,290 milliliters. Okay, once again, we're doing smaller units. We have 21 liters minus 2 liters, 8 milliliters. This is a tough one. So the first thing I'm going to do is convert my 21 liters to milliliters, which would be 21,000 milliliters. And then we're going to subtract 2,000, right? And 8. Excuse me, I shouldn't say 8, 2,008 milliliters. And is a bad word in math unless we're talking about decimals or fractions. So we have ml. Milliliters. Look at what I got to do. Decompose this thousands to 0. This becomes 10 hundredths, but then it's going to become 9 hundredths. This will become 10 tenths, then it will become 9 tenths, and this will remain 10 single milliliters. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down the 9. 9 minus 0. Oh, got to take away the 10,000s and give them over here. 10,000 minus 2,000 is 8. And there we have it, 8,992 milliliters. All right, we continue on, because that's what we do in Eureka math. Mixed units. So they want liters and milliliters. What do we do? Watch this simplifying strategy. 7 liters, 425 milliliters, minus 547 milliliters. What do? We say, give me a liter. Make that 6. We bring over 1,000 milliliters. All right, that's all there is to it. Cannot take away 7 milliliters from 5, so that'll become 110, and this will become 15. Running out of room. Bring down our measurement. 15 minus 7 is 8. We cannot subtract 40 from 10, so this will become 300s, and that will become 110. 110 minus 40 would be 70. And then I have 3 here, so I'm going to take away 1,000, give it over here, 10 hundredths. 13 minus 5 is 8. And just bring down the 6. And lo and behold, 7 liters, 878 milliliters. Now that you've done it with me, you try on your own. Okay, we have 31 liters, 433 milliliters, and we're subtracting 12 liters, 876 milliliters. Boy, this is one complicated problem. Okay, go ahead and pause the recording, give it a shot on your own, and then come back to see how you did. And welcome back. Cannot take 6 away from 3. This will become 2 or 20. And we have the 10 over here, so it's 13. Bring down the milliliters. 13 minus 6 is 7. Over here, I can't take 7 away from 20, so I'm going to give 10 tens over here to become 120. 120 minus 70 is 50. Cannot deal with this, so I'm going to take away 1,000 there. This will be 10 hundredths. 10 plus 3 hundredths is 13 hundredths. 13 hundredths minus 8 hundredths is 5 hundredths. Cannot subtract 2 from 0 thousandths. Bring away 10,000, put it over there. That's 10 thousandths minus 2 thousandths is 8. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 18 liters, 557 milliliters. We're only going to do one problem on the back, page 66. So let's get right down to it. The word problem. It says you would use a tape diagram to model each problem, solve using a simplifying strategy or an algorithm, and write your answer as a statement. Okay, to make fruit punch, this is kind of like our other problem. John's mother combined 3,500 milliliters of tropical drink, 3 liters, 95 milliliters of ginger ale, and 1 liter, 600 milliliters of pineapple. So it says order the quantity of each drink from least to greatest. So we can see right away the 3 liters would be 3,095. This is 3,500, so 3 liters, 500, and this is only 1 liter. So we'll order the quantity of each drink in greatest to least. So we're going to make 3,500 milliliters, followed by 3 liters, 95 milliliters, and last but not least, 1 liter, 600 milliliters. And lucky for you, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, I think I'm out of time on my free Screencastify. Maybe I'll have to get a subscription. That's the only word problem we're going to do. Come on back for the student debrief.